Good morning. My name is Nicholas Root. Can you please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hello, my name is Christian Turner, and I will lead you in the pledge to the Texas flag. Under the Texas flag, I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one indivisible.
Kennedy. And we're going to read today's lunch and breakfast. Today's lunch is steak and gravy, cold wheat roll, scoop and sandwich, mashed potatoes, creamed carrots, fresh fruit. Monday's breakfast will be chicken biscuit, 100%
Good morning. This is Mrs. Kraft with a few words of wisdom. Today, I want you to stop for a minute and think about the last time someone hurt your feelings. Maybe that person wouldn't share with you, or said something mean, or laughed when you made a mistake. It's painful when others tease or treat us badly. Someone once said, "Little children never give pain to things that feel or live." All of us have feelings. All of us want to be treated nicely. Today, let's not be hurtful to others. Instead, let's give each other what we ourselves want. Let's treat each other with love and kindness. And like Miss Kraft always say, treat others the way you want to be treated. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Kraft. Make it a great day or not, boys and girls. Remember, the choice is always yours.
Happy happy birthday to you. Oh yeah, happy birthday to you. Hippo, hippo, hippo. Happy birthday to you.
Hello, my name is Jacob, and it's time for Brain Gym. Anybody up for we? Yeah!
What's up, my mammals? This is Sid the Sloth from the movie Ice Age, and we're about to do this new dance, the Continental Drift. It's time to get up on your feet. It's easy to do. Just follow me. Move it out. Do the Sid. Take it back. And do the Sid. Step left. Then drift. Step right. And then drift. Crisscross. And do the man-made. Crisscross. And do the man-made. Now jump, jump. Wiggle your rump. And walk it out like Granny. To the front. And do the Sid. Take it back. And do the Sid. Step left. Then drift. Step right. And then drift. Crisscross. And do the man-made. Crisscross. And do the man-made. Now jump, jump. Wiggle your rump and walk it out like granny. Move it out. Hey, hey, hey. Step left. Get on your feet, human people. Stop holding up the wall. Crisscross. You got it. You got it. You got it. Now jump, jump. Wiggle your rump and walk it out like granny. Move it out. Come on, get down with Sid, your favorite sloth. Hey, all my mammals everywhere. If you got warm blood and grow hair, if you're feeling this new groove, then we wanna see you move. It's a continental drift, and we do it just like this. Everybody jump, 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 jump. Everybody jump, 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 jump. Everybody jump, 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 jump. Everybody jump, jump. Now freeze. Oh yeah, so cool, it's cold.
Randy like it.
Good morning, Bethune students and staff. This is a special announcement from Mrs. Glass. I just wanted to take a moment to say that I hope that you all have enjoyed the virtual morning announcements that have taken place throughout this week. On behalf of my homeroom, my community, and myself, I wanted to wish you all a fantastic Friday and a wonderful weekend. I think they turned out okay, don't you? I hope to see some of your virtual products soon as we all explore using technology in various ways around Bethune Academy. You guys have a great week, and I'll see you soon. Bye.